Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this SprutCAM training course, and the topic for today will be the tool library. I think we've seen already in one of the previous videos, and when we saw different types of toolpaths, we've already saw a little about the management of tools. But basically, and I think it is important to focus one lesson specifically in this topic. So tools, and we have all the tools. So we have libraries, so project tools, we have a lot of them. We can manage these by libraries, and we can have our own libraries, but under project tools, so we have all the tools, and the tools are managed in groups. So for operation types, as you see, tool group, spherical milling, torus mill, etc., etc., etc. So when we create a new tool, we need to define what is the group where that particular tool belongs. And when we try to create a new tool path, we simply go, if we don't want to go anywhere else, we choose from all the tools we have already defined inside. Okay, this is how to manage this. But for sure it is important to create our own libraries. So under this button here, we have the open library if we have a library already created or a library from other user, or we can create a new library which we will apply a name, whatever you want, save it, and we start with a empty library. And then it's very easy. We simply need to add a mill tool or a turn tool. And under each one of these things, we click it and we need to define the tool name, the shape, and the shape, it is linked to the tool group, the dimensions, and we have these letters, this legend here, which connects to this dimension. Numbers on the magazines, correction factors for length and for radius. Design, so if it is inches or millimeters. Number of teeth, plunge angle, durability, because we can have also this factor in our CNC file to make automatic change of tools. Tooling, so again, a couple of issues, especially with this overhang, contact points, tooling points, whatever. Holders, we can have also different types of holders, so we can choose from the library where we have holders. We can have a CAD file with that holder and import it, but if we go to the library, we can input a new holder. So and this is simply, for example, creating this kind of stuff, so with diameters and length, so we can create our own holder, give it a name, whatever, and it is created. And the corresponding speeds and feeds and these technological parameters for this particular tool, if works with flood, mist, or coolant for, whatever it is. So we can do this management under here, so it's very easy. We can also copy paste, so Control C, Control V, and so copy tool and duplicate tool, so we can have this kind of functionality also. We can grab a bunch of tools and we can save them. For example, copy to clipboard, and then we can, if we have another project, we can say paste them here, so we can manage also deleting them. So it is completely open, and I think very easy to manage. So each user can create its own libraries with its own tools because, okay, sometimes besides the normal standard purchase tools, every company used to have its own particular tools or process. So it is important to have this kind of thing open. So regarding the management of the tool library, I think this is what we need to see, and I hope you can start working also with these tools for your own work. And any problems, any questions that you may have, we are here and we can give you all the necessary support.